It is so easy to get confused and bogged down with all the health information. What program should I do? What nutrition plan should I follow? How much do I need to sleep? It is literally never ending once you go down the realm of wanting to become bigger, faster, stronger, or just a little bit healthier. Let me tell you how I started out in my fitness journey, and as somebody who has now been lifting for 10 plus years and has coached thousands of people, where I am currently at in my routine. Now, I started working out and going to the gym actually when I was lifting for high school football. I was never good at football, but of course they required you to be part of the lifting to become better for the sport. Now, this was actually a blessing in disguise, and even though I hated doing group lifting with my team and I honestly hated football, I got introduced to lifting weights for the first time. This includes squats, deadlifts, hang cleans, rows, sprinting, plyometrics like box jump, basically every single thing, and a very large amount of fitness was covered. Now, when I quit football, I actually was still really interested in learning about health and fitness, which is where I started to do a lot of self-learning. I learned about nutrition, the overall calories in foods, but I still wasn't quite sure on how to make an actual workout program. So my initial workout program that I did, because I wanted to get a better mile time in gym class, was literally run 1 mile every day as fast as I could and do about 100 push-ups and 50 or so pull-ups on a pull-up bar that I had connected to my door frame. For about a year or so, that's all I did. I also threw in some air squats and some other stuff for my lower body, but that was literally my program. I didn't know much when I started, but I went with what I knew, at least to a small degree, just kept learning. After that, I started learning about periodization, making a proper program with balance between pushing and pulling muscles, legs and upper body, different aspects of building a program like having higher rep endurance sets and lower rep strength sets, and all of those different things. And I will honestly say that probably took about 4 to 5 years after I initially started lifting to get to a point where I felt comfortable with basically everything. Nowadays, I literally do basically everything. I implement flexibility and mobility training, higher strength heavy work. I like to run and do endurance stuff sometimes. I try to play a variety of sports, and I try to be as well-rounded as I can, even as a quote-unquote recreational athlete. Now, if you're starting in the gym today and you're thinking, goodness, I don't know where to start, let me take you back to me. I knew a little bit about fitness and squatting and all those things because I was in the weight room. And after I got out of that, I just did what I wanted. I knew how to do pull-ups, I knew how to do push-ups. Those were easy to do. And then I just went out for jogs and runs. And today I am 10 times more confident in the gym. I know so many more exercises and why and when you would want to use them. But this wouldn't have happened if I didn't just step outside of my comfort zone and start doing something. Anything. So for you, start with something, anything. All you feel comfortable doing today is going to the gym and walking on the treadmill for 10 minutes and doing some stretches. That is fine. Go in there, be confident about that, know you can do it, and over time you're gonna start looking up YouTube videos, you're gonna start watching people at the gym and seeing what they're doing. And you're gonna wanna try something out because you've already built the confidence and autonomy to do those simple things on your own. And from there, you build it into your plan and you'll be off and running.